They say when you meet the love of your life, time stops.
Love is passion. Obsession. Someone you can't live without. I say, fall head over heels. Find someone you can love like crazy and who will love you the same way back. How do you find them? Well, forget your head and you listen to your heart.